Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are diving deep into the world of Photoshop, focusing on the powerful background eraser tool. And whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, you are enough for a treat. We will explore how to seamlessly remove backgrounds from your images and giving your creations the professional touch. So let's dive right in. So before you get started, let's take a quick look at the various background eraser tools available in Photoshop. We have like the magic tools available in Photoshop, and also here you can see and you have also the background eraser tools in there, and also we have also the magic on tools in there, and we will explore when and how to use them effectively. So the first thing first, let's import our images into the Photoshop, and we can do by using the open, and let me select the images. So let me select this image, and here we have the image, and I'll show you with this image so how to use the background eraser tool, and let make sure you have the image on one layer. So you can make a non-destructive edits if your image in the background layer, simply double click and convert it to the regular layer. So here we have the regular layer. What I'm gonna do, I'll just unlock this one. When I want to work here, then the next step is we'll move into the background eraser tool. So here you can find into the left toolbar, and you can easily find in there as the background eraser tool, or you can use the shortcut key, use the E for you can pound it. Now the next step is I will make it to the brush tools, increase the sizes, and here you can now use it. Now here we have this one, and you can change the hardness if you want to use or play around. Play with the hardness. Okay, so let's see, and I want to remove this one with the eraser. First, hold the Alt key and select this one. Now you can see it can be removed in this way. Okay, now let's move into the use the hardness mode, and just hold it with the Alt, and now you can see that it can be changes in this way. It's very easily. Okay, there's the same way we can also remove this by selecting this one, and now you can see it can be removable and very easily. Here the ease goes also gives you the eraser the similar colors whichever we selected from the beginning. Okay, and also you can use also the tolerance, like you can change here, like if I say this will be the 100%, so what will happen, hit on the OK. Now let's see, you can now see the changes of this one and what is the affected, and it's also erased in there. So make sure, so it will be a little bit, not a little more than 50, then it will keep the colors there by selecting, and it can give you this way. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial on using the background eraser tools, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.